the foundation, weeded everything out from the ground, and I made my hills. So it's a little bit different from what I normally see with everybody else that plants their hills. It's a little bit more open, but I have a smaller area I'm working with because I do want to plant other things. So I'm going to try this out this year. I've done it before, and this is ready. It has soiled and actually the dirt that's already here. So my taking everything out, like rocks and stuff. So it's pretty nice and soft, you know, and if anything, it's not going to be too hard for the plants to kind of come out. So this is big enough maybe for just to keep like 2 plants in this hill, and then this should be far enough. They recommend 6 feet apart, but I'm only doing 1 hill, and this one's only going to be for pumpkins. The other one's going to be probably for either watermelon and melon. So I think I'm in Southern California. It's usually a warm place throughout the year. I'm using Bentley seeds. These are the pumpkin, as you can tell, I've already planted these before, but these are the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern size pumpkins. That's why I just want to do 1 patch this year, and they should be ready in a couple months. And yeah, so let's see, and I might replant them again in July. So that way when in July comes around, at least the soil will be ready for the next set. But I'm gonna take 6 seeds. It says to plant 5 to 6 seeds per hill, and once they come out, I'm gonna just leave 2. So the best 2 for the hill. So I'm assuming that usually I like to leave the space so that way it continues to grow. And the reason I did this is to kind of retain some of the water, and then as it's going, and plus I want to keep the weeds from coming out around this plant. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do 6, and pretty much, you know, just, you really don't have to pick the way they're growing, but yeah, so 1, 2 right in the middle, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that should be pretty much it. So I'm gonna even this out. I'm gonna water it right now. And so like I said, this one's gonna be my pumpkin. That's gonna be probably my watermelon and my melon. And I am gonna grow squash. So yeah, we just gotta wait for all of this to come out. So these are the Bentley seeds, and it's the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. If anything, once they come out, the plants will mature in 100 to 110 days once they germinate. They're pretty cool during Halloween, if anything, and you could definitely, of course, make pumpkin pie. So that's the purpose of this hill. So yeah, we'll see the progress. So all right guys, well, thank you for joining my channel. I really appreciate you guys. This is my first episode of growing pumpkins, so stay tuned. So I'll keep you guys informed. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, thank you folks for coming and visiting my channel again. For those that are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Again, I just prepared the soil. I unfortunately have OCD, and the bricks on that side are killing me because they're not all the same color. I do want to change those eventually and kind of even them out. But it is what it is. If anything, if you can tell, there's like absolutely no weeds in here. I weeded the heck out of this place. And yeah, so there's 2 patches right there, or I should say 2 hills. The left hill is gonna be for my pumpkins. The one on the right, I'm still trying to decide if it's gonna be melons or watermelon. And I am going to take a little space somewhere in here to grow some squash, so that's going to be interesting, and maybe even some beans, so I don't know yet. All right folks, well I appreciate you guys coming, so again, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.